You don't just missed a call, you just missed a customer.
Hey there, this is Kylie, your automated AI assistant with Hercules Detailing. I'd love to help you out today. Are you a new customer or an existing customer?
I'm a new customer.
Perfect, I'll get you set up. Could you please provide your full name, phone number, and email?
Yeah, my first name is Huzafa, Huzaifa. My last name is Wasim, Wasem. My phone number is 817-893-4375. And my email is my first name and then work as if WORK 2007@gmail.com.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your name is Huzafa Wasim, your phone number is 817-893-4375, and your email is huzafawork2007@gmail.com. Yes, want to confirm the two correct details.
Yeah, that's correct.
Just a moment. Okay, all set? What can I help you with today? Booking an appointment, checking an appointment, updating one, and talking to support.
I was looking forward to booking an appointment today.
Got it. Let me check availability for today.
Okay,
Real
gotcha.
quick. Just a moment. Good news. The entire day is available. Would you like to book an interior or exterior detailing appointment?
So I will do interior detailing and then I was looking for something around, like 9 or 10 in the morning.
Perfect. I'll book you for interior detailing from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Press 1 to confirm or 2 to change.
Perfect, that sounds good to me. Confirm.
Give me 1 second while I lock that in.
Yeah.
All set.
Gotcha.
Awesome. Your interior detailing appointment is confirmed for today from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
No, that will be all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too. Bye.